Have you ever felt stuck while speaking Italian because you just couldn't remember how to conjugate a verb? Maybe you wanted to say something simple like I go or we eat, but your mind went completely blank. Well, don't worry. This is totally normal, and today Italianissimo is here to help you with that. Welcome or welcome back to Italianissimo. We've helped thousands of students master the Italian language through clear, practical lessons based on real teaching experience. One of the most common complaints we hear from students is the difficulty of memorizing and retaining Italian verb conjugations. If you've ever struggled with this too, keep in mind that even Italian children find conjugations challenging. So in this video, we're going to share some proven techniques that make memorizing conjugations much easier. And if you apply them, you'll start seeing results right away. If you want to get fresh Italian learning content every week, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And don't forget to let us know in the comments, what's the Italian verb that gives you the most trouble? And which method will you try first? We'd love to hear about your learning journey. Okay, let's go. Strategy 1. Recognize patterns and make them your friends. When you start learning Italian verb conjugations, you probably hear about regular and irregular verbs. Regular ones follow predictable patterns, but even irregular verbs are not completely different. They usually just change in the middle while the endings remain the same and recognizable. Example: mangiare to mangio, I eat. Regular, remove are, add o. Fare to faccio, I do. Irregular, the middle changes, but notice it still ends in o. So even when verbs look strange, the endings repeat. That's the key pattern to focus on. Strategy 2. Pick a template verb. Instead of repeating endings out loud, o, e, a, which often doesn't stick, choose one favorite verb for each conjugation type and practice the entire verb from io to loro. For example, parlare for are verbs, prendere for er verbs, dormire for er verbs. This way, you memorize a real verb, not just endings. Plus, you develop an ear for the rhythm of conjugations, so when you meet new verbs, you'll recognize when something sounds off. Strategy 3. The sticky note method. Repetition is key. In fact, Italian kids also learn conjugations through endless repetition. To make it easier, turn it into a game. Write, repeat conjugations on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them daily. Bathroom mirror, shower. Next to your coffee machine, coffee. On your bedside table, bed. Every time you see a sticky note, say the conjugations out loud. This constant reinforcement makes the patterns stick in your memory. Final thoughts. Learning verb conjugations takes time. Italians themselves spend years in school practicing them, so be patient with yourself. The secret is consistent, intelligent practice and lots of repetition. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video, thumbs up, and subscribe to Italianissimo for more practical strategies to master Italian. And let us know in the comments if you want more videos like this. We'll be happy to create them for you. See you in the next lesson.